Hey, TradeStation from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through one of our silver strategies here. I've got it loaded up on a Pivot Breakout, and it's been tracking very well on this system. But what I want to do is compare it to our Renko system, because we've got obviously we've got the loaded up here, the mean Renko at 0.05 on the COMEX on silver. And on a 5-minute chart, I've got the silver strategy as well. So I just wanted to see and show you how they've performed this week, and just to compare, obviously a look at price action and what's happening with the Renko charts as opposed to the time-based charts, which is the 5-minute chart. So we still get a very similar setup here. So we still get a breakout in the same position, but it just cleans up price action much better, and you don't get that that whippy action that you often see on the time charts. So what I want to do is just show you how they've performed this week. So the periodic returns this week are fantastic. On a daily basis, we've had a great run on silver. You've got 750, 450, 350, and 450 over the last week. So it's been a super week on silver. You can see the overall results there at 4K. The previous 3 weeks were a little bit poor, but it's been very consistent, and as you can see there, it's in line with the performance of the strategy anyway. So it'll have 2 or 3 losing weeks and then a couple of really good weeks. So it does perform very well as far as its. So silver's just come out of a bit of a drawdown here, and then just a powerful week, $4,000. Overall, the performance is pretty good. We've got $29,340 over the 12 months. We have a profit factor or average trade net profit of 148, 197 trades, which is always nice to see. And we've got a max drawdown there of $4,570. So that's a little bit higher. So that would be kind of in our higher bracket portfolio, but still a good performance on silver. Now, if we click over to the Renko charts, you'll see that the profit, this is for 6 months, the profit is a lot less. The profit factor is a massive 3.21. So that's definitely improved the overall performance. So the average trade net profit is also very high at 465. So that's exactly what we're looking for. And then the max drawdown here is 1230. So if you compare the two systems side by side, much less risk in the Renko, much less trades, smaller profit, but as far as portfolio drawdown, this is more the lower end portfolio account, because this would be, you could potentially be running this on a 10K portfolio, 10 to 15K portfolio. So just a difference in the two silver systems, the 5-minute and the Renko. So we'll continue to track these to see how they perform. This week, let's have a look at the periodic returns this week. Hasn't traded a lot. It picked up that massive winner at $2,000, and then it has had a loser following that. So the good thing about this is the risk to reward. You can see here it'll take a couple of losing trades, but then it generally jags a fairly strong winning trade, and its target there at $2,000 is what we're aiming for. So just a nice strategy, good reward to risk and overall profit factor. And as I said before, this is the ideal strategy on the smaller account. The profit factor is 3.21, so that's what you're looking for. The average winning trade is $2,000. The average losing trade is $316. So your ratio of win to loss is 6.42, which is fantastic. So that's just a quick look at silver and trading on both the 5-minute and the main Renko as well. So look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.